Right. Hello, nail art lovers. Ready to dive into the colorful world of DIY manicures, but not sure where to start? You've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk through some super easy, yet stunningly beautiful nail art designs that anyone can master. So, grab your polishes and let's get creative together. First up, we'll need a good base coat. This is a crucial step that many beginners skip, but it's the secret to protecting your natural nails and making your manicure last longer. Apply one thin, even layer and let it dry completely. Our first design is the timeless classic Elegant Dots. It's simple, chic, and incredibly versatile. Start by painting your nails with a solid base color. A soft nude, a classic red, or even a bold black works wonderfully. Let that dry for a few minutes. Now for the fun part. You don't need fancy tools for this. The tip of a bobby pin, the end of a paperclip, or even a toothpick will work perfectly. Just dip your chosen tool into a contrasting polish color. White on black is a classic. Or maybe gold on nude for a touch of glamour. Gently press the dotting tool onto your nail. You can create a single dot at the base of each nail for a minimalist look. A line of dots down the center, or even random polka dots all over. There are no rules. Feel free to experiment with different dot sizes and placements. Once you're happy with your design, let the dots dry, then seal everything in with a high shine top coat. This will protect your art and give it a professional, glossy finish. See? So simple, yet so effective. Next, let's try some simple stripes. Stripes can look intimidating, but I promise there are easy ways to get clean, crisp lines. Again, start with your base coat and 2 coats of your chosen base color. Let it dry completely, and I mean completely. This is key. Now, for the cheat code, striping tape. You can find this super thin adhesive tape at most beauty supply stores. If you don't have it, regular Scotch tape cut into thin strips works too. Place the tape on your nail in any pattern you like. You could do a single vertical stripe, horizontal stripes, or a cool diagonal pattern. Press the tape down firmly, especially along the edges, to prevent the polish from bleeding underneath. Now, paint your contrasting color over the entire nail, right over the tape. While the polish is still wet, carefully and slowly peel off the tape. Don't wait for it to dry, or it might pull up the striped polish with it, and voila, you'll be left with perfectly straight lines. It's like magic. A top coat will smooth everything out and add that beautiful shine, feeling a bit more adventurous. Let's move on to the gradient or ombre effect. This design looks incredibly professional, but it's surprisingly simple to do with a household item, a makeup sponge. Pick 2 or 3 colors that blend well together, like a light blue and a dark blue, or a pink and an orange for a sunset vibe. For this technique, it's a good idea to protect the skin around your nails. You can use liquid latex or just apply some petroleum jelly around your cuticle, being careful not to get it on the nail itself. Now, Take your makeup sponge and paint stripes of your chosen colors directly onto it, one next to the other. Make sure they overlap slightly to help with the blending. Now, gently dab the sponge onto your nail. You might need to dab and slightly roll it a couple of times to get a smooth blend. Don't worry if it looks messy on the sponge. It will transfer beautifully. The color will be a bit sheer on the first pass, so let it dry for a minute and repeat the process 2 or 3 times until you reach the desired opacity. Once it's dry, clean up the messy edges around your nail with a small brush dipped in acetone. Finish with a generous layer of top coat, which will magically melt the colors together even more for a seamless blend. Finally, let's create a beautiful, abstract watercolor design. This is perfect for beginners because it's meant to be imperfect and unique. Start with a white or very light pastel base color. Let it dry completely. Now, take a few of your favorite colors and a small dish or a piece of foil. Put a tiny drop of each color onto the foil. Next, you'll need a small art brush and some pure acetone or nail polish remover. Dip your brush into the acetone, then into one of your polish colors to dilute it. You want to create a watery, sheer consistency. Now, just dab this watery polish onto your nail. Let the colors bloom and spread out. Clean your brush with acetone and pick up another color, dabbing it next to or slightly overlapping the first. The colors will blend together in a soft, dreamy way, just like a watercolor painting. There's no right or wrong way to do this, so just have fun and let your creativity flow. Once you're happy with your abstract masterpiece, let it dry and apply a top coat to seal in your beautiful work. And there you have it for stunning, beginner-friendly nail art designs that you can easily do at home. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the most important thing is to have fun with it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Happy painting!